When we said that you have gotten for me the gender creation of your patchen, in fact, don't happen that this star of city, Pete Evans, stellar surfboard star. Thank you for those again. Thank you. And once a household name on My Kitchen Rules, Pete Evans' journey took a dramatic turn. After a fiery fall from grace, the once celebrated chef's life seemed destined for a quiet corner. Yet amidst the chaos, a sea change was brewing. In the crystal clear waters of Indonesia, Pete took up surfing, defying expectations in a vibrant mustard shirt, shades that spoke of untapped talent. A photograph capturing his agile movements, Pete showcased a different side to his persona. Gone were the judges' panel debates, replaced by the rhythm of the waves and a long newfound sense of purpose. As he elegantly rode the waves, his wife Nicola shared the incredible moment with the world, leaving fans both intrigued and inspired. But this isn't just any beach break. It's a symbol of resilience and growth. Pete's act of leveling up amidst controversy is a reminder that transformation can happen even in the face of significant setbacks. Did the surfing waves help him find a balance, away from backseat debates and controversy? The road to redemption hasn't been easy. Pete's journey included debates over virus treatments and fines for promoting unproven cures. Yet the glossy images of him surfing betray a shift. Siet Wenwad detached from conformity and towards personal exploration. And our U.S. selves really screaming. So as Pete surfs into our hearts, do you think this new chapter could overshadow his past failings? How about subscribing to our channel for more intriguing tales like this? Show your support by clicking that like button. Because Pete's story is a reminder that every wave is a chance to learn and reinvent. In conclusion, Pete's surfing journey may have been unexpected, but it's a testament to his unyielding spirit. With a splash of humor, I'd ask, does he finally have a dish that could cure everything? Regardless, one thing's for sure, we're hooked. Thanks for watching and keep tuning in for more surprises. Until next time. Surf's up, end quote.
一项学理的故事结合现实可能不准确，